Guys, you're watching German Gyan. My name is Gyan, and guys, today we are up with a new video. And guys, this is a fourth part of email event schreiben video. Yes guys, if you have missed any three part, then I will put in link here. Make sure to go and watch it. This is a fourth part, as I have told you in earlier three parts. In this video you're gonna have one formal and informal email. Make sure we're gonna give you with answers. Make sure to know how you have to react to the email, how you have to write it, how the proper marking is done in Goethe exams or in TELC or everywhere. Exam thing is there in depth. If you are giving or if you are planning to give the exam, then this video is must for you. Make sure to share it. If you are watching me for the very first time, then my name is Nidhi and I am a CEO and the founder of German Gyan. German Gyan provides you online offline classes. We do provide teacher training program, exam preparation, brush up classes and whatnot. Why are you wasting time? Let's get into the fourth part of the email schreiben. Yes, let's go.
The first question for the formal email is: Sie möchten einen Termin beim Arzt machen. Schreiben Sie eine E-Mail an die Arztpraxis. Means you want an appointment at the doctor, and for that you have to write an email to the clinic. And the points which you need to include in the email are: Warum brauchen Sie den Termin? Means why do you need the appointment? Secondly, wann haben Sie Zeit? Means when do you have the time? And third is Ihre telephone number, means the mobile number. So this is the email, and let's look at the answer now. We'll start with the Anrede, and because we don't know to whom we are writing this email or who is going to receive the email, we will choose the Anrede, sehr geehrte Damen und Herren, and then the email starts. So you can write it like this: Ich brauche einen Termin, weil ich Halsschmerzen habe. Ich habe am Montag Zeit. Meine Nummer ist 012345678 Mit freundlichen Grüßen, Maria Meyer. So like this you can write the email, and after covering all the 3 points, if you want you can write a closing line also. For example, Vielen Dank im Voraus means thank you so much in advance. So like this you can write any closing line, and remember that in formal email you have to write your complete name. The second question is of informal email, and the question is: Dein Freund Alex hat bald Geburtstag. Du kannst leider nicht kommen. Schreib eine E-Mail. Means your friend Alex has birthday soon, but unfortunately you cannot come, so you have to write an email to him. And the points are which you need to include in an email. Warum kommst du nicht? Means why are you not coming? Was machst du an dem Tag? Means what are you doing on that day? Was schenkst du ihm? What do you send him? So these are the points which you need to cover, and now let's look at the example. Because we know to whom we are writing this email, we can write their name. So the email is: Hallo Alex, leider kann ich nicht zu deiner Party kommen. Ich arbeite an dem Tag. Ich schenke dir ein Buch. Ich hoffe, wir treffen uns bald. Then viele Grüße and Julia. So like this you can write a short and simple email without making much mistakes. Now some basic tips for writing an email is that try to remember as much as readmittals as you can. For example, always remember that you have to write the Anrede, but Anrede depends on the situation. That means if you are writing a letter of whom you know the name, then you have to write the name. Otherwise you just have to start with sehr geehrte informal. So remember, you have to learn the Anrede or the salutations, and then always learn closing lines, so that after writing an email you can write the closing lines also. And formal and informal emails have different closing greetings, so of course remember those also.
so guys, how was this video? I hope now you are a master of even email. Yes guys, still in case you want any help, comment down below. We'll catch you on the next one. Till then, keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care. Cheers.